Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to reset a PS5 controller. This is useful if you are having problems with your controller, because resetting it might help solve the issue. So let's get started. First, turn off your PlayStation 5 completely. Now take your PS5 controller and flip it to the back side. Near the Sony logo on the back, you will find a small reset hole. Now take a small pin, SIM tool, or paper clip. Then press and hold the small button inside the reset hole for around 5 to 10 seconds. After this, the controller will reset. Now connect the controller back to your PS5 using a USB cable. If your PS5 is turned off, just turn it back on. At the start, the PlayStation will ask you to press the PS button on the controller. Now press the PS button to pair the controller again with the console. Once connected, the controller should start working normally again. And that's it. You have successfully reset your PS5 controller. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.